Okay, so here we are down here at the truck. Now we're going to do a quick walk around. Tire looks good. Headlights are intact. And checking on the basic pre-trip. Look at the truck, idiot. Okay, here. Mud flaps, yep, intact. Taillight's good to go. Fifth wheel's got grease. Alright, now we're going to get into sucker. Now I'm going to give you a basic driving instruction how to negotiate driving in a big city. So, fire it up. No, I didn't do a brake test. Oh, my favorite tune. There we go. Genesis. Crank it up. Alright, crank it on up the road. Oh, oops, that was a red light. Oh, never mind that. We got a big rig. We're in a big hurry to get to where we gotta go. Now, oops, I put the lampposts too close to things sometimes. Construction zones are everywhere in a big city. You gotta always be aware of that. Workers especially, you hit one of them, you're in big trouble. Alright, head down into the industrial area. You may have noticed that the thing drives like a slug. Well, there's a reason. It's a diesel. Now, you people that drive the combustion engine with the gasoline, you ought to be aware that you've got a hell of a lot more horsepower than one of these diesels. It takes us forever to get going, and it takes us forever to stop. Boy, look at this place is dead. Ain't nobody working. Everybody wake up. So when you got to get in front of a truck, go ahead, step on the gas pedal and get away from us, because we don't really want to see in front of us either. Negotiate that turn. That happens.
You know, they target radio stations these days towards certain demographics.
Now figures, taxi cabs in the way.
Surfer boy music, you got your rich kid punk music.
Oh, clearances always worry you.
Put my collar down, and then you've got your
we got a right turn.
Stupid jingles in between it. They're supposed to make young people laugh and old people feel wanted. I don't know what this shit is on this station, but here's what Liberty Rock Radio's all about. I play what I play.
Well, I already did one of these instruction videos on how to negotiate city traffic, and this hasn't been anywhere near as exciting, but seeing as how I recorded in the wrong format, I have to do it all over again. Oh, get out of the way, fool. You'll notice that my turning radius is nothing like an automobile. Something else for you to be vigilantly aware of. The police are always looking for truckers and giving them a hard time. Sometimes the best solution is just to get them the hell out of the way. Red lights are annoying. You got to change gears all the way back down again. And we don't want no part of that. Oh, there's my motorcycle. I left it there a while ago. Something you may not be aware of is a lot of trucks have weight restrictions. Now, this is a boardwalk here in Liberty City. And as you can plainly see, this boardwalk is certainly stable enough to support the weight of this vehicle. Park benches are a problem, but generally don't drive on the boardwalk, not with a big rig. And once you get up here, of course, it's a problem getting back off. Oops. So we'll have to find the stairwell to get back down. Oh, I'm stuck. Alright. Try this again. Right there. There we go. Gotcha. Roundabouts are also another area that's no fun. You always wind up tracking right over somebody. people really shouldn't park in the middle of the road. That guy's on the wrong side of the road. So Liberty City here was founded by the Dutch. And we Americans are doing our best to take the rest of it down. Oh, look at that. I attracted some police attention. It must be a DOT inspection. Now, the best way to handle a DOT inspection, be aware of your location. Choose the proper tool for the job. In this case, happens to be a rocket launcher. Go figure. Where do the police go? Oh, I seem to have created a traffic jam here. Oh, look at that. Mr. Policeman's in trouble.
I got you, you son of a bitch!
Oh, he got me. Nope, I don't think so.
Keep me covered! You can't hide from me! Screw you! We've got you surrounded!
Well, we didn't do a post-trip inspection. You may have noticed that's another violation. That's kind of overkill. That works a little bit better. So this is life as a trucker. Everybody treats us like dirt anyway, so what the hell? Piss them off even more. Sometimes the safest place to be is back in your 6x6 10-foot box, because they have a bear of a time trying to stop a rig like this. I got plenty of attention now. You'll notice that it takes quite a bit of time to get yourself up to speed, and once you do, you're pretty near unstoppable. It's always important to have a good radio station on. Let that be a warning to you, airbags do not always help. Now, some of you may be thinking that my CDL is in jeopardy at this point, but I assure you, oh yeah, that's a good point. Always wear your seatbelt, even if you're in a big rig.